Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to set time in your VW Tiguan. First, turn on your vehicle's ignition and access the main menu on your infotainment system. Look for the Settings or Setup icon, which often resembles a gear. Select this option to proceed to the next screen. This initial step is crucial for accessing the time adjustment features. Once in the Time and Date submenu, you'll see options for both time and date. Select time to adjust the hours and minutes using the on-screen arrows or rotary knob. If needed, choose date to update the day, month, and year. Ensure your adjustments are accurate before moving on. This ensures your vehicle displays the correct information. Many Tiguan models offer an automatic time synchronization feature. Enabling this option allows your vehicle to use GPS signals to set the time and date automatically. This is especially helpful when traveling across different time zones or during daylight saving changes. It ensures your clock is always accurate without manual adjustments, providing great convenience. After making all necessary adjustments, remember to confirm your changes. Look for an OK or Save button on the screen to finalize the settings. Once saved, you can exit the menu and return to your main infotainment display. Your Tiguan's clock should now display the correct time. Also, check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.